Good morning, students. Welcome to e-learning class of computer. Hope you all are safe at your home. Students, in the previous class, we have read the topic database. Hope you all know what is a database. Database is a collection of related data. After that, we have done how we can use a form to enter data in a database. And this time we are using Excel as a database. Now students, today's our next topic is sorting. What is sorting? Open page number 44 of your book, lesson 4. What is sorting? Sorting means rearranging data in a particular order. Particular order means you can arrange your data either in ascending order or in descending order. During sorting, rows in an Excel sheet can be sorted based on a single column or on multiple columns. This type of sorting is called default sorting, in which sorting is applied on a particular first column and we can arrange data according to ascending and descending. Student, now see this table. If I want to sort this table according to the names of bikes, now here T is first and B is later on. If we arrange this table in alphabetical order from A to Z, then first should be B, then Hero Splendor and Hero Passion. Now both are same, then we use the second word S and P. Which come first? According to this, it will sort that data. Now how to do the sorting? Suppose this table I want to do the sorting. Firstly, you have to select all the data. My data is from A1 to D9. Select the data, then click on Home tab. Home tab, you will find Sort and Filter button. This is Sort and Filter button. Here you will find the option Sort A to Z, Sort Z to A, and Custom Sort. First, I will choose the option Sort A to Z. As I have choose option A to Z, my names of the cards are sorted in alphabetically order: B, H, and then T, and then Y. If I will use from Z to A descending order, it means reverse order. First will be Yamaha, then after that TVS, then Heroes, and then Bajaj. So we can sort the data in either in ascending order or in descending order depending upon our requirement. Next is student custom sort. Custom sort. I have told you that in Excel, when we do the sorting, by default it is only done on the first column, according to the first column. But if I want to apply sorting on some another column according to my requirement, then I will always choose custom sorting option. The default option sort the data in selected cells only with respect to the first column. If I want to change according to my choice, then definitely we will use custom sort option. Now again, how to do that? Click on Home tab, Editing Group. From Sort and Filter, you will choose Custom Sort. You will find this type of window. Now in this type of window, our first is sort by. On which column you will want to do the sorting. For example, column A, column B, column C, whatever the column you will choose. Next, sort on values and then order may be to smallest to largest and largest to smallest. And after that you will click on OK button. Your data will be sorted according to the column you have chosen here. Student, now see this in this table. Now I have done the sorting on the price tab. So sort on values and from smallest to largest. So you have seen our prices of the bikes are sorted in ascending order, increasing order. Now I have applied the sorting on column B using custom sort. Next topic is applying sorting on the multiple columns. If you want to apply sorting on multiple columns, then how we can do this? Again, using custom sort option. Firstly, you have to select all the data, click on Home tab and then custom sort. Your sort dialog box opens. This box will open. Again, first will be the same, sort by. पहले आप first column लेंगे, sort on values and then in which order, smallest to largest or largest to smallest. After that you will click on add level, because this is for first column. If I click on add level, then this option will come. Then by firstly he will do on department, then he do on status, and then values and A to Z. So in this I am sorting on two columns, department and status. Now students, see this table. If I want to apply sorting on two columns, column B and column C, you will choose sort by and then column B, that is your prices, then sort on values and in which order. After that you will click on add level button. After clicking on add level button you will get these option. Then by, this is your second column, that is mileage. Sort on, we want to sort on values and which order, smallest to largest. After that click on OK button. What will you find? You will get the data, prices in increasing order and mileage in decreasing order. We have done sorting on two columns. Student, hope you have understood the topic sorting. In next class, we will do filtering. Thank you students. Have a nice day.